They're really close. Last night they kind of got messed up because of a big boar, but he put out some corn today. Figured since we have an aggressive boar coming in with them, we'll put out a little bit more. We should be dropping the gate next night or two, but when we get done here, we've got to go finish setting up the Game Changer Junior on a widow lady's property, and I'll show you that when we get over there. We've been conditioning that one too. Don't know how I'm gonna kill him. I don't know if Mr. Johnny has a long rifle or not. We shall see. Alright guys, so I've got some of the big ones down. The reason why I'm in the back of the truck is because the big boar that was on the outside, he's just off in the beans here. I don't know exactly where he is, and I know how much damage they can do to you. So yeah, I'm up here in the back of the truck, just shooting them down this way. I don't know the exact count yet. My wife says she's counting 16. The sounder was 15, so there might have been one more that I did not know was in there. There is a big boar in there. I don't think it's the one that was on the outside, but I'll have to pull the camera footage to see if he actually jumped out or not, or if I caught what I thought I was looking for. So we're gonna finish these off here. Try to safely get these taken care of. We'll see how this all works out.